Yeah, good morning. Hello, I'm Coleman Isner, the CEO of ImproovLearning, an education technology startup working to improve teacher-parent communication. I'm a first-year student in the Tepper School of Business, and here are my co-founders.
Hello, I'm Lloyd Brooks, a middle school science teacher and building department leader. With that experience and coming from a family of educators, I have developed a network of teachers and administrators across both private and public schools.
Sorry, I was muted. Hi, I'm Matt Smith. I was a math teacher for 2 years before moving to the IT industry. I work primarily in cloud computing and software deployment.
As a team, we're solving a major problem in education, which is that it's hard for teachers and parents to stay connected and pass information between each other. 2/3 of teachers in our customer discovery issues listed parent communication as a top 3 problem in their classroom, and as few as 10% of parents sign up for notifications from learning management systems. Furthermore, 50% of parents are busy. They work non-standard schedules, and they don't have time to keep track of all of that information. Therefore, we create a lot of real value for students, parents, and schools by solving this problem. And let's take a look at an example. Paul wants to help his son Stephen, who struggles in Mr. Brooks, aka Lloyd's, science class. With our system, Paul gets the information he needs, leading to fewer missed assignments, better grades, and more school enjoyment. We've been testing a prototype in Lloyd's classroom with 81 parents, and we've had great results so far.
Let's take a look at some of the numbers. We've had a reduction of 120 to 2 minutes, this amount of time that teachers save when it comes to writing emails weekly, an increase of 7 to 30 parents directly engaging with me per month, and then a reduction of 38 to 19 when it comes to parents who are inactive when it comes to the student information system. So that's a 60 time, that's an app allows us to do things 60 times faster, 3 times more, and half as many disconnected parents. And that's just with the prototype. Imagine what we'll be able to do with a full app version. And that kind of leads into our underlying magic.
So our underlying magic is twofold. One, reduced teacher workload. Our platform allows for automated custom message generation. So instead of just sending mass emails, teachers can now update parents with student-specific information. This also allows for near instantaneous communication between parents and teachers. 2, increased parent engagement. Our app allows for email digests that funnel information to parents. And although parents can use our app on their own, teachers can also initiate that enrollment process. Furthermore, parents can sign into the app with one-time codes instead of having to remember complicated passwords. And perhaps most importantly, parents can forward information to caretaker contacts such as grandparents or tutors to keep everyone in the loop. Combining the parent and teacher aspects with other caretakers, we can see that our platform is the glue that holds a student support network together.
To support this great technology, our business plan follows a freemium model. The free version for teachers will be fully functional, but they'll have the option to buy premium to have more advanced analytics because we want them to get a lot of value out of it and drive user growth. The free version for parents will be slightly restricted because that's our main source of revenue, but they'll be able to get a lot of value out of it as well with that premium option too. And both of the free versions will have education-related ads that are safe and family-friendly, of course. The market we're addressing has 56 million students in the United States and a slightly higher number of parents, where 11 billion is spent on edtech software every year in the US and 27 billion is spent globally. Our strategy to capture this market involves testing that prototype in 5 classrooms this spring and then rolling that out as a commercial version next year. We'll get one teacher to add their colleagues by incentivizing through that premium version. We hope they'll use that data to get more buy-in from their schools. And those teachers will also drive a lot of growth by adding their parents from their classroom too. In terms of our current status, we've been in Project Olympus for 7 months now, working on customer discovery, and we've just started developing that prototype that Lloyd's used for the last 4 weeks in his classroom. There are 6 more teachers in 2 school districts who have shown interest in trying that prototype. They asked us, and one teacher actually asked us to start it this week, and she'll be adding another 200 parents to the 81 Lloyd already has. So in closing, we get the information a parent needs to them when they need it and how they need it, so we can ensure that they're up to date and in the loop. So thank you for your consideration of our project and all of your feedback through this competition so far.